We open our main clip. Make sure you grab the files from the description so you can follow along. Add rose on an overlay track. Using keyframes, animate it so it subtly drifts across the frame towards the real rose in the man's hands. Apply a flash out animation to the rose and soft fade in to the main clip so this whole moment feels dreamy and intentional. Now we build emotion. As the camera pen reaches the frame just before the woman enters, apply freeze. Over this frozen frame, bring in couple photos one by one on overlay tracks. Position each image carefully and give them a gentle fade in and fade out animation, creating a cascade of memories passing through time. Duplicate that frozen frame and place it above as an overlay. Remove the background so only the hand and rose remain. Animate a vignette using keyframes, then mask it so the darkening affects only the rose area. As the final memory fades, let motion return using the candy mist transition. The camera continues its pan, finally revealing the woman's face. Add the love dish effect here to bathe the scene in a soft romantic glow. And here's the final result.